Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Honorable Chairman, Higher Education Commission, Dr. Mukhtar Saab. Honorable Chairman, APSA, Professor Dr. Chaudhry Abdur Rahman Saab. International delegates, my worthy Vice Chancellors, honorable guests, and very bright students, Assalamu alaikum. It is my great honor to welcome all of you to Pakistan's biggest entrepreneurial expo, See Pakistan 2023. It gives me immense pleasure because this expo is not an ordinary expo. This expo is the platform of the youth, and to show to the world that aisa hai Pakistan, and to show to the world that the youth of Pakistan is very innovative, creative, and they have the potential to change the fate of the country. Ladies and gentlemen, entrepreneurship has the power to drive sustainable economic growth of any country because it is the foundation of any thriving society or a country. I still remember, because I personally believe in the power of entrepreneurship. Entrepreneurship has the power to change, and it has created wonders. I still remember the time when we initiated the idea of See Pakistan at Superior University about 8 years ago, with the vision that Superior University will not be the factory of unemployed youth. It will be the university which will nurture and which will enable and empower youth of Pakistan through our very innovative entrepreneurship teaching and training program to become job creators rather than job seekers. Alhamdulillah, our entrepreneurship teaching and training program ever since has been creating social and economic impact in the society and the communities around us. See Pakistan is meant to showcase the innovative and creative side of Pakistan and to portray the positive image in front of the international delegates that aisa hai Pakistan. See Pakistan, this year we launched international chapter of See Pakistan, which comprises of series of multi-day events which brings together entrepreneurial educators, government, industry, and major entrepreneurial ecosystem players. Ladies and gentlemen, let me tell you that See Pakistan started with a mega event of World Startup Championship. And under World Startup Championship, we launched this at national and international level. At national level, more than 1,000 startup entries received from 154 public and private sector universities of Pakistan. And after rigorous evaluation and selection process held across Pakistan during 8 regional rounds, we have been able to select 100 top startups from across Pakistan. And if I talk about international level, we received 100 international startup entries from around 20 countries. And after rigorous selection process, we have been able to select 15 international startups from 11 countries who are presenting or showcasing innovative sides in See Pakistan International Pavilion. Moreover, See Pakistan hosted 2-day International Educator Summit. The objective of International Summit for Entrepreneurial Educator was to train the entrepreneurial educators to be able to become effective, to play their effective role in the university, to become part of sustainable economic growth. This year, in this international symposium for entrepreneurial educators, we have delegates from Russia, Jordan, Indonesia, Malaysia, so it was a huge success for Pakistan. Another event of See Pakistan was Academic Excellence Awards. This year, we hosted Academic Excellence Award in Government House. The basic objective of Academic Excellence Award was to recognize and appreciate the role and contribution of our entrepreneurial academic leaders who are bringing change in Pakistani universities and making Pakistan proud. And today is the final day of See Pakistan, where more than 100 startups are showcasing their innovative ideas and creative ideas. Ladies and gentlemen, on this occasion today, I really want to thank various stakeholders who helped us to make this expo successful. So it was a great platform to showcase the good image of Pakistani higher education at international level. So thank you very much, Chairman, Professor Dr. Chaudhry Abdur Rahman, for creating so many opportunities for public and private sector universities. I'm also very thankful to our partner universities for believing in the idea of entrepreneurial revolution for the youth. It is a great show of collaboration and partnership, and this show would have not been possible without my partner universities. I'm truly thankful to Chairman BOG, University of Lahore, Awais Rauf Saab, Chairman BOG, University of Sialkot, Faisal Munir Saab, and Chairman BOG, University of Faisalabad, Haider Amin Saab. Thank you very much for believing in us and helping us to showcase innovative and creative Pakistan. Moreover, there are a few other stakeholders I would like to acknowledge and appreciate their role. I'm really very thankful to all the sponsors, international community, to be part of this See Pakistan today. And most of that, I would like to acknowledge and appreciate the hard work, devotion, and dedication of my amazing See Pakistan team for making this event so successful and smooth, and all the student volunteers who have participated for the smooth execution of See Pakistan. I'm truly grateful to each and every stakeholders who have participated in See Pakistan to make this expo successful and to showcase innovative ideas and to show to the world that aisa hai Pakistan. Thank you very much. Pakistan Zindabad.